Welcome again to Fast Answers to Frequent Questions. I'm Chris Drospa in the Roger Williams University Visual Resources Center. The question that I'm going to answer in this tutorial is, how do I add an image to my personal collection in MDID from either ARTstor or my computer? Well, to begin this, we're actually going to do a search from ARTstor because it's very similar to add images from ARTstor as well as from the computer to MDID. So we'll just go ahead and do one from ARTstor just so that we know the process of how to integrate the two. So let's go ahead and start with a search of, I want to search for Rembrandt's Descent from the Cross. And I'm just going to throw in the keywords Rembrandt and cross. And we have 26 records, and I think the first one is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'll double click that. And you'll notice on the bottom right, there's a little floppy disk. So go ahead and click the save, and it'll bring up this window. Now you do want to save the file to your desktop, so click OK. And sometimes it'll even pop up a little notice saying that you agree to the terms and conditions. Usually this happens to the first time you download a certain image. So I'm going to go ahead and close this part out, and notice how on the desktop over here we have the folder. Now they are currently zipped, so you will need to extract them, and we'll just keep it extracted to the desktop, and we'll close that. Now, if we go back to MDID, you will notice over here you have a place for My Images. Now, sometimes you might not have that. It depends on if you're a faculty or a student. Faculties have the ability to add images, and students will, just not currently. So, from this drop-down box, you'll see Create New Image, and we want to create it inside Personal Images. And click Create. And what you will see here is a big list of all the information regarding the image. Now you don't have to put in everything, but I do ask for at least some basic information, so it'll be helpful for searching in the future for you, or if you decide to put it in one of your presentations so that anyone who views it can print out flashcards and be able to see the image and also the information. So we'll go ahead and into this folder, and notice how there's the two different files. One's the JPEG image, the other one is actually an HTML document that gives all the information. So all you have to do to get the information is just copy and then paste it into its place. So I'm just for this going to copy in the creator, the title, and the date was 1633, so I'll just type in 1633 here, and then scroll to the bottom and you'll see Upload New Image File. So you click Browse, and then from your desktop you scroll down and you will see the Scala Archives and the JPEG. Click Open, and then Save Changes. So now you can see up here that you have that image. You can automatically select the image and add it to any of your slideshows, but from now on you'll be able to utilize this image from ARTstor in any of the presentations or procedures that you would like to do inside MDID.